new ways to save and invest money. Over the years, Piggyvest has helped a lot of people or a lot of customers to achieve their financial goal by helping them to save and invest with ease. If you want to save money, or you want to multiply your money, or you want to get interest instead of you to leave your money or save your money in the bank without interest, Piggyvest can help you to save and have interest at the end of every month or annually, depending on what or how you want to get your interest. You're welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to invest, save and receive interest with Piggyvest. If this is what you want to know and this is what you want to see, please do well to stay to the end of this video and also subscribe to my channel. If you are my old subscriber, thank you for always coming. Please stay tuned as well today to watch this video to the end. If you are a newcomer, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that when I post a video, you will be updated. And also please help me to share this tutorial, share this video for others to see. Let's dive into the video. You will go to your Chrome browser. You type Piggyvest. This is it here. Then I'm going to say enter. After that, this is the Piggyvest interface. This is the Piggyvest interface. If you are using a mobile phone, please go to your Play Store and download the Piggyvest app. But I'm using the desktop version. So this is it here. If you are a newcomer, you will click on create account. Then when it come up, you will fill up all this information here. Put your name, your full name, your email address, your phone number, the password that you can remember. If you are invited by someone, you can use their referral code. You can use my referral code here. Then here I say, how do you hear about this? Then you select on how you hear about Piggyvest. But here I've already logged in, I've already signed up, so there's no need of me creating a new account. So I'm going to go to sign in, click on sign in. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to put up my email address and also put my password. So my password, your password should be here. Then I will tell it to log in. So it has logged me in, and like you said, you see here, he said, Alice, good morning, wash your hands. There is a lot of ways that you can save money here. So when you come in, you go to savings. This is savings. You click on savings. Then you come down. This is Piggy Bank and this is Flex Naira. From Piggy Bank, it says treat savings automatically, daily, weekly or monthly. Then what it's trying to say is that if you are saving with Piggy Bank, it's going to be automatic savings, and either you are saving daily. Depends on the amount that you want to be saving daily. It can be 2,000, can be 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 100,000. So you're going to be getting 14% per annual if you save with Piggy Bank. And when you save with Flex Naira, flexible savings for emergency, free transfer, withdrawal and etc, and you're going to be getting 12% for whatever you save per annum. And this one is, like as you can see, is daily, monthly or weekly, but this one is for flexible savings for emergency. You want to save it for any purpose, then you click on this here. You click on quick savings. As you can see here, your interest rate is going to, when you save any amount you save here, your interest rate is going to appear here. Then when you want to withdraw, if you click on withdraw, it's going to bring you here that it will enable you to enter your your withdrawal, your bank info, and the rest. Here, say in settings enable you, to turn on your or turn off your auto savings. That is what it does. Interest rate per annum is 14% for this piggy bank savings. That is the interest rate. Now you click on quick save, then put the amount. If it is 2,000 you want to be saving, you put it. Then where did you want the money to save? Is it on my piggy bank or my piggy flex? Is on my piggy bank. You tell it to proceed. Then get to this place. It says select payment option. Do you want to pay with bank, or you want to pay with your card, or you want to use Piggyvest wallet? If you want to pay with bank, you click on this place. You say use bank, you say confirm. Then here you can now choose your bank to start your payment. Any you like, say my own is Access Bank. Then I will put my account number, and then continue the rest. Then all your transaction is going to appear here. The credit card, your credit is going to appear here, and the debit is going to appear here. Like it said here, there's no transaction displayed for now. So when you come back here, then if you want to save on Flex Naira, you can save flexible savings. You can see it here, flexible savings for emergency, free transfer, and the rest. I've already explained this one. And at the end of every year you get 12% from your savings. Here, save lock, say lock funds to avoid temptation or upfront interest. Then save lock is if you want to save, you don't want to touch the money, you don't want to, it's like when you are doing current account that you don't touch the money that you save there. That is what save lock does. Target, reach your unique individual savings goals with 12%. This one, when you at the end of the year, you get 12% of whatever you get from your target. Then flex dollar, here you save in dollar, it's not in naira, you save in dollar. So when you create this account, make sure that you have a dollar card or a dollar account to enable you to carry this particular investment successfully. Save and grow your wealth in dollars up to 7% per annum in dollars. So that is the interest you will get. If you save here in dollars, you are going to be getting up to 7% of whatever you save in dollar, and you know that one is going to be a huge amount of money when you change it in a local currency. So here I give you the opportunity to see your total savings, total investment, and your total flex in dollars. If you get value in this video, please do well to subscribe, like this video, share this video, share it for others to see and also to benefit from this, and in order for them to multiply their money. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.